Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Good morning, party people. I wanted to make a video about the day in the travels of Robert DIY. Just kind of help you understand how things go when I'm on the road. This is why I may or may not be able to find a weird message that you sent through Facebook or some other kind of medium. This is why it's important that you call or text me if you want to get a hold of me so that I can explain something to you so you can get through it yourself, or to get my help because you know that I'm in your area. A lot of times I'll be in an area like Atlanta or St. Louis or Oklahoma City. Somebody will send me a Facebook message. Hey Robert, I heard you in Oklahoma City. Let's have a meet and greet. I won't see that message for several days. I'll be long gone by the time they call or text me. But typically when I'm doing a road trip and I'm stopping somewhere to help somebody with something, whether it's a timing belt or a manual shift conversion, this is how that day goes. Check it out. I leave Cincinnati, Ohio, headed to Chicago. I might leave Cincinnati 9 in the morning, stop for lunch somewhere, get to Chicago 2 or 3 in the afternoon. I find a hotel or check into the hotel that I have arranged. Get something for me and Diane to eat for that evening. If I have time and you're available, I will proceed to your location and start the work. Let's say, for instance, it's a timing belt, water pump, and replace a couple of struts. I'll get there and do as much as I can from the time I get there, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, until probably about 9 or 10 o'clock, I'll knock off. Then I go back to the hotel, picking up anything that Diane may say she needed, get to the hotel, shower up, relax with Diane for an hour or two. Then I wake up first thing in the morning, head back to your location, complete the job. You don't have to be there for me to complete the job. I can handle that myself. At any rate, complete the job, hopefully before I'm due to check out of the hotel. Then I run back to the hotel, check out of the hotel 11, 12 o'clock, pack up the car, and head to our next location. Tight schedule. If for some reason it's an extensive job, like a manual swap, cylinder head rebuild, I'll work that second day till around lunchtime. I'll go connect with Diane for a couple of hours. I am Diane's caregiver. We always travel together. I got to make sure that her needs are taken care of. After we have our lunch time, spend a little bit of time with her, make sure she's still settled and okay. Then I come back to the work site, work the rest of the day, probably till 6 or 7 o'clock. Then I knock off, go back to the hotel. I can't leave that night, probably got several hours to drive, on top of the fact that I had to pay 2 nights of hotel. So I just chill out there until the next day. If I'm finished, I'll just chill out there. The next morning we'll pack up, go to the next location. If I'm not finished, I'll stay as long as I can and finish up the second morning. So that's kind of how that day goes. Then from Chicago, I'll go to Michigan, Pennsylvania, St. Louis, Oklahoma City, or towards home, wherever. Maybe even to Omaha, Nebraska, or something like that. So that's basically how the day goes. That's why it's important for you to call or text me if you need me. And it's also important that you watch daily for my travel videos so you can know what direction I'm going in if you're looking to get some help while I'm in the path. Or if I'm not far from you, an hour or two, we can have a meet and greet. I can help you with something, or I can schedule you in and change my route and plan. That is why so many of those travel videos are so fragmented. It is hard for me to take the time to set up the camera, record clips of details that are going on, first of all, I already got videos with those step-by-step details instructions. Secondly, when I'm hustling, I get there Wednesday afternoon. I do half of the work Wednesday evening. I do half of the work in the morning. Then I need to get out of that hotel because you or I can't afford to pay for a hotel room just because I'm being slow. So I don't have a lot of time to make nice, complete daily videos when I'm in a situation and circumstance where I'm trying to get that work done as quick as I can, making sure everything that you need is taken care of, and then I need to get back out of town, so move on to the next stop. So anyway, that's how the day goes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for understanding. Again, if you need help, watch my daily videos, keep up with my travels, so that if I'm in your area, I can stop and help you in a more efficient way. Thank you very much for watching. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.